Hey guys, welcome to hengxing traffic video channel. Today we are gonna introduce our strobe beacon SB04. This one's material is PC lens and ABS base, also magnetic base. And we have 6 pieces ultra bright LEDs inside. Also with solar panel, rechargeable battery, and metal screws. The lens color is based on your requirements. The base color is black. For installation, magnetic base with 3 pieces permanent fixing screws holes. Its visual distance is over 200 meters. And we have a red switch on the bottom to turn on off our light sensor. Enables lamp to flash automatically in dark and stop in daytime. Its power is DC 12. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, welcome to visit our YouTube channel, the name of hengxing traffic, or view our website hengxing.biz. See you.